Welcome guys, I'm on another video. Welcome back, and we're going to talk about cryptocurrency in this video as well. So if you're a little bit concerned about what I'm doing on a day-to-day basis, I'm sure that some people are wondering why there's so much crypto content. Well, firstly, because I love it. Secondly, because I think that it's mentioned in my whole pro system, which is the system that I have built, and that's why I want to talk about it. It's definitely not the only thing. It teaches you guys marketing as well, but cryptocurrency is a big side of what I do in terms of the passive and the active side of my business. So in this video, we're specifically going to talk about Swiss Gold Global and whether Bitcoin mining in Swiss Gold Global is still there or not, depending on you, right? Do you want to know that? Do you want to know that? Do you want to know that? Okay, we're looking at the cryptocurrency market cap at the moment, and as you can see that there is been a fluctuation. Some things have gone better. As I said, the moment Bitcoin goes up in my previous video, you will see that the other coins start to go up, and in fact you can see that it has been a change. It's not double digits now, it's just single digits below, and it will keep going up if Bitcoin does. Okay, so that is just my let's say over the past few months what I've observed. Obviously the marketplace can be volatile and can change anytime. I'm not a financial advisor, guys. Don't take my financial advice, let's say, because I am just a person like you sharing the journey and sharing my observations in a video publicly, but not recommending anything, as you can see in terms of the cryptocurrency market. Okay, let me get into Swiss Gold Global, guys. If you don't know what Swiss Gold Global is, it is primarily a precious metal company, 10 years running. Okay, 10 years, brilliant company. And they also have cryptocurrency mining. So as you can see, let's look at my crypto. They had quite a few cryptocurrencies there, but I'm going to show you a little bit of proof today. Are they paying or are they not? Okay, if you've ever thought of, or you've seen other Swiss Gold Global videos where you need to join as, you know, a member to get, I think there's a yearly account, a monthly account, and advanced account, a one-time payment and everything. Yes, if you're a team builder, you can do that. Okay, you can definitely do that. But even if you're not a team builder, I would suggest to get started for free. Okay, there's a link in the description of this video which you can check out, which will allow you to start as a free member. You don't need to pay anything. You can just start off as a free member and start mining cryptocurrency. I would suggest to start mining cryptocurrency because that would allow you to then generate an income, and then you can go ahead and see whether you want to upgrade and actually build a team and everything else. And you can still refer other people to the site, and you will get just a small teeny percentage of what they purchase, but it really doesn't matter. You're building a passive site. So I'm a free member right now. I might upgrade in the future. Right now I'm not looking to build as such. I'm looking to just share with you the passive income sources that I use in terms of cryptocurrency. Now what I want you to pay attention to is this right here. Okay, this is my wallet ID, okay, on blockchain.info. And I'm just going to quickly go to wallet. I want to show you here that it has been changed on May 30th. Okay, so that's the latest that I changed with both BTC and Zcash. In fact, you can see Equihash here and SHA-256. What does that mean? That basically means, guys, that I have changed my wallet to because Zcash, that as you can see, I have 100 Zcash, 100 hash power of Zcash, and 1.4 terahash of Bitcoin right now in Swiss Gold Global. So every time I reach 0.035, if I'm not mistaken, we can check that right here. Actually, just give me a second. Yes. So just give me a second. Transaction history. Here we can check it out. So the moment you reach 0.0035 Bitcoin, whether it is in Zcash or in any other kind of cryptocurrency, you will get paid out into your wallet. Okay, it'll accumulate and get paid out to your wallet. So I have, as you can see, 100 hash power of Zcash, and the rest is all Bitcoin, and I will be increasing this Bitcoin amount. Now, like I said, you saw the wallet, and you saw you can see right now I don't have any Litecash, I have Zcash, I don't have any Ethereum, I don't have any Dash, I don't have any Monero. Okay, I just have Zcash. Now I want you to make sure that you see all mining payouts must be minimum payout threshold in order for them to be even confirmed or sent to you. Okay, so it'll be an unpaid, it'll get accumulated as an unpaid reward until it reaches that minimum threshold amount, which will then automatically be sent to your Bitcoin wallet or whatever kind of wallet you want. Okay, so that is a really important thing to know. The reason why I'm telling you that is it means that if you reach an amount where, for example, you're getting a payment every single day, you get a payment every single day of the week, and you don't need to bother, you don't need to look at it. The moment you hit that account, if you're hitting it every single week, great, you're going to get the payment every single week. Okay, every single day, sorry, or every single week, whatever it is. So does it pay? Okay, does all of this minimum threshold and stuff like that actually pay? So I'm going to transaction history, and I'm going to just show you. I have 12 pages. I purchased my first Zcash contract on 20th of January, and on the 21st of January, I started with my Zcash amount, as you can see. Okay, that's 12 pages down. And if I go to the first page, which is now, you can see June 10th, June 9th, 7th, everything. You can see that here there's a transaction link. Now, basically, I got paid out my Zcash, my first commission in Zcash in June. Okay, so I have a very small Zcash amount, so it's taken me a while since I got my first payout, obviously, but I did. Okay, so I wanted to show you guys that it does happen. Okay, the moment you reach the minimum payout, it pays you out, and then it starts over again, as you can see right here. Okay, it starts from scratch all over again, and the same thing is with your Bitcoin, Zcash, Bitcoin, Zcash. You can see my payments are consistent every single day, but this is a transaction link. Now, you remember the ID that I showed you, the wallet that I showed you. I'm going to click on the transaction link, and the page is not found on this because it's Zcash transaction link. Sorry about that, guys. Let me then just give me a second. Let me go to the dashboard, and I'm going to put right not wallet. Yeah, let's go to my crypto. Yeah, let's go to Bitcoin. Okay, you can see right here, I'm going to click on that. Okay, and it's going to take you to, and as you can see, this is my address. This is my address right here, and this is amount that I got paid. How much is this? If you want to see how much this is the amount that I should have got paid. As you can see, that on the 7th of, or whatever, 7th of June. So let's go back here and let's look at transaction history. And as you can see, it is 6 payout was got done. So it was reached me on the 7th in the morning, and it is 23 US dollars. Okay, but in Bitcoin, it is definitely 0.035, and you can see it's the exact same amount that I got paid out. Okay, 4640464. Okay, so it's exactly the same amount. I just wanted to give you guys some proof that it does work and it does give you the payout. So if you want to join Swiss Gold Global, as you can see, this is the whole hash rate that they have. The difficulty level is going up and down. As you can see, this increased since the last time, since the 5th of June. So there was a slight increase. I don't know how much percentage, but definitely there is an increase, and this tracks it basically. Okay, why am I telling you all of this? Because Swiss Gold Global, guys, is a 10-year-old company. Yes, they deal with precious metal, but they also deal with cryptocurrency, and you can definitely benefit from it. So no matter what the price of Bitcoin is, I would always, always, always suggest to get started mining, because it's never too late to get started. If you wait for the coin to have a high value, then you're going to miss out. But if you start now, then that's going to change for you. Okay, so it's up to you to make a decision. Obviously, I'm not going to force you into any kind of thing. Everything is up to you in terms of your decision, and I can tell you that results are not typical. I cannot guarantee you that you will earn exactly that amount, etc., because it depends on the value of Bitcoin and the difficulty level. So I cannot guarantee how much you will earn, but you can definitely get started. If you start off with a free account, let me just tell you that you can buy up to 5 terahash. In fact, let me just go to the my crypto once again and show you that you can buy only Bitcoin at the moment. You cannot buy any other cryptocurrency. As you can see, you can only buy Bitcoin, and if you start off as a free account, you can buy a maximum of 5 terahash in one purchase. So you can buy, if you want to buy 20 terahash, you buy 4 times 5 terahash. Okay, click next, and the payments can be made by e-wallet, by bank transfer. I don't know what e-wallet is exactly. I've never ever used e-wallet, but there's bank wire, there's credit card, and Bitcoin. My favorite is Bitcoin or credit card, depending on whatever you would like. Obviously, a credit card needs to have 3D secure in order for it to be accepted. Before you're able to do any of this, guys, the company asks for a KYC, which is know your customer. Why do they ask this? They ask this because the company is legit. It's 10-year-old. It's a 10-year-old company, so they have to verify the users and make sure that everyone is who they say they are. Okay, so you might need to send your passport details and stuff like that. They'll verify the information, and then they'll go ahead and allow you to do anything on the website. So before you're even allowed to do, you have to first get verified. Okay, that's it from me. I'm going to see you on the next video. I just wanted to come out with this Swiss Gold Global update and tell you that they do pay. Okay, and don't hesitate, and they're a solid company to get started with. Okay, link is in the description. If you want to see the strategy that I put together, okay, and how the pro system works, I'm going to leave a link to the pro system as well in the description of this video. I'm going to see you on the next one, guys, and keep paving the way for your dreams to come true.